Hey guys, we're back. Wanted to talk to you guys about core aeration. Today's September 1st, and it's the perfect time to start getting out there in your yard and doing things to help it recover from the stress of summer. And core aeration is one of those huge things that you can do to improve your lawn. Hey guys, so one of the important things about aerating is this really opens up the ground to water and nutrients. Over time, if you're just being out on your lawn, kids running around on it, maybe you've had heavy equipment on it, it's going to compress that soil and make it just hard as a rock. So what that will do is it will inhibit nutrients, water, fertilizer, food, etc., air from getting down in your lawn, and all those items are really key to giving your lawn the great look that you want it to have. You can really aerate your lawn anytime you want. Two of the best times, personally, I think, and when it's most common, is spring and fall. Most people do it in the fall. I personally do it in the spring and in the fall. I think in the spring it really helps to wake up the soil, wake up the lawn, and get it going where your lawn can really take off. So guys, to show you how an aerator works, and part of the components on it is basically an aerator is just made up of a bunch of tines that stick holes into the ground. Depending on how soft your soil is, how moist it is, you will get better penetration for that. You want to get as long of a plug pulled as possible. Typically, from what I've seen, 2.5 to 3 inches is pretty good. I can usually pull a 3-inch plug in our lawn, but our soil is a little bit better. It's gotten better over the last couple of years since we built our home. But basically the aerator is made up of a bunch of fingers that will pull plugs out of the ground and basically leave them out on your soil. Depending on your lawn type, you may want to rake those up and get rid of them, or what I do is I just leave them on the lawn. It rains a few times, they break down and leave the soil go back into the lawn. So a big benefit after you get the aeration done, you can come back over and overseed your lawn. This year I'm not going to do that. My lawn is pretty thick already, and I have a few spots of some weeds that I want to kill off, so I'm going to be putting some pre-emergent down this fall. Putting that pre-emergent down with grass seed actually wouldn't work, because you would be not allowing the grass seed to germinate. But typically what you can do is after you aerate, then you can go back and overseed your lawn and put down some starter fertilizer. I'll link below some recommended grass seed that we use and starter fertilizer that works best for us. What that will do is again, the aeration will just open up the ground, let water, nutrients get down in there. It's great. It breaks up the ground a little bit and allows you to put that seed and fertilizer down, get the cooler temperatures of fall, and your lawn will just be taken off. So that's really it for this time, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helped you understand a little bit more about what core aeration is and the benefits it has to the lawn. I ask that if you would please like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be putting out new information all the time. I really appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving us. Again, like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.